This is our tour guide.
Hello,
And you are
my name is James.
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 James. Your surname. Surname.
First name?
First. Yeah, Korean
Korean
name.
name is Hyun Boo-yong.
Ha.
Boo-yong.
Yo.
Hyun.
Ah.
네,
Okay.
Hyun.
So he is our tour guide for how many days? A week. She is also a Bible student studying in
Studying MTU.
MTU in Seoul.
Yeah.
Yeah. And you are now in what year?
In Bucheon.
Bucheon. What year now? Fourth year? Third year?
Yeah.
Second year?
I'm
Four. Okay. So he will be with us for several days, guiding us, helping us. Thank you, Lord. Ah. This is the team. Sige, hoy.
Okay, ano nang gagawin? Welcome to the store. So, we're going to Dayhan! Welcome! Sa city, nakukunti ang crocodile.
Ah.
City, na walang crocodile. Meron. Pero kung yan?
Oh.
Uy, ano yan? We're going to Dayhan! Okay. Welcome Dayhan City. Andi. Saan pa? Andi. Korea. First day ng pagiging malaya sa sobrang init ng first day sa lamig.
Para kami nasa Baguio, guys.
Hello guys. Si Pastor Cesar nilalamig na.
Lalamig na nga eh. Namulugtoy na oh.
Nalinagdag.
Ito po yung sasakyan namin bus papuntang saan yan? Yan ang sasakyan natin o yung isa?
Dito tayo for
Saan tayo?
wala pa.
Ha?
Wala pa.
Wala pa. Inaantay pa ang bus.
Waiting. Gamot.
Okay, inaantay pa yung bus. This one here?
Yeah, this.
Okay, thank you very much.
To make it no.
That's why I didn't let sweet.
What's your name? Where are we now?
Let's go. We are going to go Daehan Prayer Mountain.
Okay, we are
Prayer
going. But this place, what
This
is
place
this?
we called it Sincheolwon.
Sinchara.
Sincheolwon. Cheolwon.
Yun ang Cholwon, hindi pa Chinchuron.
New Cheolwon.
Oh,
Means
bago.
Sincheolwon.
It's
Because old Cheolwon is North Korea. Very,
okay,
very
okay.
near.
I remember
Very
this
near
Yeah.
border.
going there.
Very near is border of North Korea and South Korea.
Okay.
we,
It's
ano,
this is
Pastor
like a
Cesar
barangay mo saying?
Barangay.
It's like barangay counter like that in our country.
Barangay.
But this is a big
Municipal.
place. Municipal? Town?
Municipal.
This is a town.
Town.
This is
Malaki eh.
barangay, barangay.
Hogokro.
O kasi nga tingnan mo Pastor Oday, maybe that place is
Tingnan mo yung ano nila, oh, yung rest.
Palaruan
Shade
ba?
nila. Shade, bus stop nila. Oh, tingnan mo.
gym.
Yeah, bus stop nila.
Oh, waiting.
Oh.
Ayan.
Talagang may glass.
Waiting for the bus stop.
Bus stop.
This one. Safe na safe sila no?
Oo nga eh. Pag mag-snow, there's also snow here.
Of course.
There is a signboard what time arriving car bus like that, and also there is a heat because children, wallang children dito, because they from home to school they
A car?
use their car.
Ah.
Even field trip also their own car.
Then,
Yeah.
in the Philippines, we always walk.
Yeah, that's
And
why.
Ride
Anywhere.
motor and motorcycle. You always see children. Sarang!
Sarang ba yung ganun? Malaki pala to. Dito na tayo?
Yeah.
Pinapasok mo na
we
ang
are
kanilang
close.
ano.
Ito na pala yun.
Ito na pala yung...
Ayun o, nakangiti ka agad eh. Sino?
Ayun, nandito na yung mga ano natin.
Ayun yung
Talagang matatanda pa lang nandito.
mga nagatanda.
This is main pulpit, main chapel,
Chapel.
Chapel. And that one, chapel also.
small chapel.
Chapel also. Ha? Kaya nandito ang ano.
Beautiful.
There is also Wi-Fi here.
Sa loob.
Free Wi-Fi.
This
Not
is
allow.
what? Wala.
No Wi-Fi.
No Wi-Fi. But outside meron.
Ito yung tutulugan ni Pastor Cesar. Sir, ano, kumusta naman tutulugan mo?
Mabuti.
Sabi mo, kawawa ako. Wala. Sabi
Ah,
mo, kawawa ako. Wala pa.
Nagtingin ka na naman.
ito yung ano, tulugan.
Kawawa ako. Wala pa ako.
Tatlo lamang po dito ang ano. Apat kami. Anong gagawin namin ngayon? Kaya gagawa kami ng
Different here in the, when they finish the training, they go their own house and they start pray to their family. From even non-Christian husband persecute her, but anyway, serve him well, obey him well. Hanggang he changed to God. So pray for their family, their children, and also pray for their serving to their church well. Even walang pera,
lalaki ng mga ano.
support their.
Very big. It's big.
There's many.
Oh?
There's many.
Ano tawag dito?
Bubo ka ang bulag.
Ano tawag?
Hindi ko alam. Iris, sa rin, this is Iris.
So they are this
That is Iris, this one.
is opium.
This is opium.
Opium.
Huwag mong amuyin, amuyin. Maano ka? Mahay ka niyan.
Yung pantanim.
Yan ang kanilang pantanim. Ay, oo nga. Pantanim. High-tech. Pantanim sa ano? Palay? Pagkatapos i-ano na, dito sa baba. Sabi no? High-tech talaga sila. High-tech. At saka, alit naman ang gulong. Ha? Ano pala ito? Plastic na ano. Grabe naman moderno nila. Sa tingin lang. Ito ang
돈 포스트 SNS에서
Yeah, yes. Pause ah.
Thank you very much for all the Moksanim and Reverend Peck and to all the churches that we have been there, visited there, and also the place that we see a wonderful and nice places, and especially in Seoul City. Even though we have a lot of struggles and walking, but we enjoy the places in the moment in Seoul, Korea. Thank you.
And of course, special thanks to our dear Konongphil Mission Chairwoman, Reverend Yun Soo Pak. So we really really felt the love and care that you given to us. Thank you for all the beautiful itineraries, and even you're not with us in Dayhan, but still you're always your presence is with us. So thank you very much, and we appreciate you.
I really admire South Korean people in preserving their agricultural land, focusing on their food security, and it's really amazing that they preserve their forest and everything, the natural resources. I also admire them in cleanliness wherever you go, their discipline. I hope Filipino will do that someday. Mabuhay, and I love.
Thank you so much for accompanying with us, especially to Reverend Park for guiding us, for being with us for the three nights and 4 days, no? And also to Reverend Elder Wang Chong and Majung Hee. Thank you so much for the special food that you have, and especially to Brother Boyong. So